back door. Maybe he'll let us in. You never know.
Yeah, he's a kid. Kids are stupid.
Bless this highly nutritious, microwavable macaroni and cheese dinner and the people who sold it on sale. Amen. This is it. Don't get scared now.
Merry Christmas, little fella. We know that you're in there and that you're all alone.
Yeah, come on, kid, open up. It's Santa Claus. And it's Elf.
We're not gonna hurt you.
No. Got some nice presents for you.
Be a good little fella now and open the door.
What? What? What happened?
Get that little... Hello. Yes!
The little jerk is armed!
That's it! I'm going on the front, you go down the basement.
Ow!
Dead kid. Where are you, you little creep?
Harry! I'm coming in!
Oh no, I'm really scared.
It's too late for you, kid. We're already in the house. We're gonna get you.
Okay, come and get me.
Who are you? Now you're dead!
I'm gonna kill that kid!
Marv,
Harry?
where the hell did you take your shoes off?
Why the hell you dressed like a chicken?
I'm up here, you morons. Come and get me. You guys give up or you're thirsty for more?
Heads up! Don't worry, Marv, I'll get him for you.
Yes.
He's only a kid, Harry. We can take him.
Oh, shut up, will you?
Oh,
What is it?
you're missing some teeth.
Where? That's where I go to. I'll kill him. I'll kill him. You found me with one more can, kid, and I'll snap up your cojones and boil the motor oil.
911 emergency.
Earl, our house is being robbed. My address is 656 Lincoln Boulevard. My name's Murphy.
You never know what's up there. There he is! Whoa!
I got you! I got him, Harry! I got him! Harry, get up! Give me a hand! Ow! I got him! Harry, help me get up!
What are you doing, Marv?
Harry, don't move.
Marv?
Don't.
Marv, what are you doing? Marv.
Did I get him? Did I get him? Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, never mind how you get here. How do you like it, huh? You jerk! Get that kid, Brooke. Get that kid. Where'd he go?
Maybe he committed suicide.
Down here, you big horse's ass! Come and get me before I call the police!
Let's get him.
Wait. It's just what he wants us to do. It's to go back downstairs through his funhouse so we get all tore up.
You gotta call the cops.
He's not calling it. From a treehouse? Come on.
Window?
Yeah.
Not going out the window?
Why, you scared, Marv? Are you afraid? Come on, get out here. Come on. Come on!
Let's go back, Harry.
Shut Shut it, Marv!
Hey guys, check this out!
Go back. Go back.
Okay.
There he is.
Hey, I'm calling the cops!
Wait. He wants us to follow him. I got a better idea. Come on. Hiya, pal. We outsmarted you this time. Get over here.
What are you gonna do to him, Harry?
I'll do exactly what he did to us. I'll burn his head with a blowtorch.
You can smash his face with an iron.
I can slap him right in the face with a paint can, maybe.
Or shove a nail through his foot.
First thing I'm gonna do is bite off every one of these little fingers, one at a time.
Come on. Let's get you home.
Nice move. Always leaving the water running. Now we know each and every house that you've hit.
Hey, you know, we've been looking for you two guys for a long time.
Yeah.
Now remember, we're the Wet Bandits. Wet Bandits. And
Shut up! Get off! Hey, come on. Hands up the head, pal!
Come on.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, your troubles of sorrow. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough.